Today, that is on 21st of November 2020, the Pi network announced that we exceeded 9.5 million. That is exactly what I suspected when in September they revealed there are 8 million users. Just to remind you what does it mean, I would like to recall you the video I prepared on that occasion. As the mining or allocation of units will become problematic, I would suggest you to use a contingent strategy and to subscribe to Initiative Q, the information at the end of this video. Today, the 13th of September, Pi Network announced that there is 8 million of users. It is important for some reasons. At first, if you are not yet a Pi user, you should register as soon as possible, as every second you lose units. It is proposed to limit the pace with which we get units when there will be 10 millions of users. This reduction will be of 50% to 1/10 Pi per hour. Explanation of how Pi is calculated you can find in another video. The growth is steady and those 10 millions will probably reach in 2 months or at the end of 2020. It is also possible that Pi Network will close registration of new entrants. With this, such persons will lose possibility of getting their Pi free. What it is all about this drop of earnings per hour of 50%, so-called halving, is quite common practice used to maintain the value of cryptocurrencies. It eliminates inflation when new units are released without limits. Instead, halving creates so-called scarcity or makes units become more difficult to obtain through limiting their supply as the fundamental economy rule. So now you can go and check what you can do to squeeze out the most out of the Pi application. See the 11 tutorials on the subject. I would recommend you very strongly to sign up to Initiative Q, as only doing that you will reserve over $1,000 and easily you can earn more than 13,000. And no need to click every day as it is in the Pi network.